Welcome to Tile and Top. Today, we're going to explore why tiles are the best choice for your home. Let's dive into how tiles can solve some common problems homeowners face. Durability and long-lasting performance. One of the most common concerns when choosing floor materials is durability. Homeowners often worry about wear, scratches, discoloration, or cracks over time, especially in high-traffic areas like kitchens, hallways, and bathrooms. Tiles offer outstanding durability. Whether it's ceramic, porcelain, or marble tiles, they resist wear, scratches, and pressure. High-quality tiles can withstand daily use, staying looking like new for years. Easy to clean and low maintenance. Another big issue is cleaning and maintenance. Over time, floors and walls accumulate dirt, grease, and stains. Many homeowners shy away from materials that are hard to clean or require constant upkeep. Tiles are smooth and non-porous, which makes them resistant to dust, dirt, and oil stains. A simple wipe with water and a mild cleaner is enough to keep them looking brand new. Compared to wood floors or wallpaper, tiles require much less maintenance, making them the ideal choice for busy families. Health and safety. Many homeowners, especially those with children or elderly family members, worrying about harmful substances in building materials such as formaldehyde or volatile organic compounds (VOCs) that can affect the health of their loved ones. Tiles are an eco-friendly option that's free from harmful chemicals. They don't release toxins, and their smooth, non-porous surface makes it difficult for bacteria or mold to grow.